Today I wanted to talk to you a little bit about the TemporoMandibular Joint, or the TMJ, which is the joint here in your jaw. A lot of people have jaw pain or headaches related to the TMJ, which can be worse with stress. As you all know, everyone's stress is a little bit higher today. And a lot of people don't realize that chiropractic can help with TMJ problems. So if you're experiencing jaw pain or headaches that you think may be related to the jaw, let us know next time you're in the office. We can do an evaluation and possibly help.
Welcome to Revive Injury and Wellness in West Linn, Oregon. Our experienced team of chiropractors and massage therapist wellness professionals provide the best possible chiropractic care, laser therapy, and massage therapy to patients living with back pain, neck pain, headaches, and a variety of chronic pain conditions. At Revive Injury and Wellness, we utilize gentle chiropractic techniques, massage therapy, rehabilitative exercises, nutritional supplementation, and cold laser therapy to help you recover from back pain, neck pain, chronic pain or injury from a workplace or auto accident. Our chiropractors and wellness team focus on the cause of your pain, not just the symptom, to help you lead a happier, healthier, pain-free life. We are here for you if you are in search of a chiropractor or accident and injury pain specialist in West Linn, Oregon, in Southeast Portland. Serving the communities of West Linn, Gladstone, Oregon City, Tualatin, Milwaukie, Wilsonville, Beavercreek, Canby, Molalla, Mulino, Clackamas, Willamette, Lake Oswego, and Happy Valley, Oregon in Clackamas County. Give us a call at 503-344-4378 and be sure to ask about our new patient special offer or visit our website at reviveinjury.com.